Hello everyone. For this tutorial video, I'd like to explain how multiplication and division of fractions work, as well as how it is actually pretty simple multiplication and division that follows patterns we already know to be true for non-fractional numbers. In particular, multiplication of fractions is as simple as multiplying the numerators across each other and the denominators across each other with no additional steps, which might make intuitive sense if we use a very simple example of 1 times 1/10, because 1 equals 1 divided by 1. And we know 1/10 fits exactly into itself 1 times, so therefore 1/10 times 1 equals 1/10. Or if you want to make everything in fractions to get adjusted to multiplying fractions, you would write it as 1 divided by 1 times 1 over 10. But you should get the same exact result at any rate. Division is actually almost just as straightforward, because you can rewrite a division as multiplication of 1 over whatever number you are dividing by, and then simply use the multiplication tricks we already know to be true for multiplication in general. For example, something multiplied by 1/2 is exactly the same thing as dividing something by 2. So you can use the same exact reasoning on more complicated fractions, such as if you divide something by 11/10, you would simply multiply it by 10 divided by 11, and then multiply the numerators and denominators as you would traditionally do for multiplying fractions in general. Now that I've described the formulas and shortcuts you can use for multiplying and dividing fractions, I'd like to explain how adding and subtracting fractions works, and how the process involved is more complicated than multiplication and division, because you have to figure out a common denominator for all the fractions first. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.